They think they can't get touched. Like, they just be thinking they safe and they not safe.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is obviously a client makeup tutorial. Not really a tutorial, but just a client video. So y'all gonna go ahead and speed through the brow process. I didn't want this video to be too long, but just in case you guys are curious about any products I'm using in today's video, I will leave a product list down below. I did leave some clips of us talking in this video just so it wouldn't be just strictly music. I know people get bored with just listening to the music the whole time, so yeah. By the way, y'all, this is Jordan. I hadn't seen her in so long, so we was talking about literally some of everything. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. It's like I'm just now really getting interested in client makeup though, because I started off trying to do it, but I just didn't like it for it in.
You know why? It's just, I thought it was easier to like do other people's faces than your own.
No, it's easy to do. For me personally, it's easy to do my face.
Have people been asking you to like do that makeup and stuff?
Yeah, I had 6 clients this past weekend. And I did a bride for the first time. And
did she like it?
Yeah. I should have took my own pictures, but just let her take the pictures and she gonna send them to me after they go through all of them.
For what?
Back to the front. I have no idea. I don't understand the whole jealousy thing when it comes to nobody, honestly, because I've never been like that with nobody. Like,
I thought y'all was like friends. Like,
we were cool then, but you know how you get older, you kind of realize things.
Yeah. Is that even the same? That's the same guy she married, right?
I never knew she got married.
Yes.
I don't know about it.
I've always been on it. Like, if you don't talk to me, I'm not gonna talk to you. Like, I'm not gonna waste my time blowing up your phone doing all that. Like,
right. How much did you pay for your lashes?
This set I got for free, but normally it'd be, I go to this girl, it was like $55.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, I don't be trying to go to all them expensive people, cause I know I'm just gonna get them one time.
I feel like I can do my own. I just don't know what glue to get. So even though there is a product list down below, I just like telling y'all what I'm using. I don't know why, but I'm using the Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. I'm taking the burgundy shade and packing that all over her lid.
What made you start YouTube?
Because I used to play makeup all the time, and I always watched Aaliyah J. I don't know if you know who that is, but I always watched her. And I was like, well, if I'm just gonna sit up and play makeup, I might as well record it. And then I just started recording it.
I guess you say practice make perfect.
Definitely, because I used to think I was so good at makeup, and then I looked back at it compared to now, and I was like, yeah,
right, because my graduation picture, you was like, I could have did better, but it was cute though.
And I feel more confident now doing other people's faces, because then I was still kind of easy about it.
Like, who do you still talk from, like, back then?
Queenie Margetto, their birthday actually today too. But Queenie Margetto, Ashlyn, I'm still cool with. I don't know if you remember him.
The dark skin one?
Girl, let me tell you.
I got my belly button pierced, my nose pierced, and I got my nipples pierced, and I got these 3.
I saw those. I just now got my little pierced like some months ago. Yeah, I want mine done, but definitely not my nipples though. I'm too scared for that.
See, it didn't hurt as bad as I thought it was. I'll say the first one, it didn't hurt as bad. It was kind of like oh, okay. But the second one, that was a little pinch because my adrenaline had wore off then. But it wasn't bad. But I wouldn't do it again.
I don't know. I kind of like using when it's like a tad bit darker. That was like a perfect match though. When it's like a tad bit darker, because once you go in and like highlight and stuff, it just makes it look really good.
You like brushes over the beauty blender?
Yeah. Except for under the eyes, I do like using a sponge for under the eyes. But most of the time, I go back over it with a sponge anyway.
And they was always quiet, like they never said nothing.
Yeah, they were really quiet.
I didn't even know they talked. I'd never heard their voice before.
I think I only heard them because they was in class with my brother. Because you know how ever since they was doubling up on classes. So I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I believe I used Butterscotch. And then you're going to see me go in with a lighter one. I used Honey. And yeah, I just use my foundation brush to kind of blend out the bottom, and then right underneath the eyes I kind of let it sit a little bit, and then I'll go in with a sponge and blend that out. I just love this little brush for concealing the brows and adding the concealer to the face. It's by Wet n Wild. I got like a bunch of them from Amazon. They were on sale for like 30 something cents one day. I think it was on Prime Day. And I was just like,
no, we didn't. No, we didn't. What you talking about?
Where did that come from?
I just remember that day you hit that girl. You put that girl head into that wall.
What was that?
She did something to you. You was like, that was the funniest day ever.
And I think that day my sister got suspended too. I was like, you know, at this point, I'm just sick of this.
I was so ready to get up out of there.
I had a brother, he was trying to, and I was just like, don't try to me after I just hit your sister. Like, do you care about your sister or not? Cause
I was just not that head me. You know, I still got that girl added on Snapchat.
Which one? Yes, and he go whole nother story. He don't even talk to her no more.
I know he talked, but he was talking to some dark skinned girl, but I don't know if he talked to her no more.
Turn your head this way. He had just moved to California. When he got into his house that he was renting out, he was like going crazy on Snap and was like sending everybody pictures and videos of like what the house looked like. So I knew what the house looked like. They sent me a screenshot of her Snap, and she was in his man's bathroom in a bikini.
Niggas be putting all their business on the internet.
Is your hair sore? I be wanting to get my hair done, but I'm just so tender.
It didn't. See, I got the other ones, the longer ones, and that hurt really, really bad. But these didn't hurt as bad as the long ones. But you know the initial hurt was like them playing in your head and stuff like that. But yeah, it hurt afterwards. It was hard to sleep.
That's how mine was when I had the long ones. So I was kind of scared to get these because I'm like, okay, like, is she just braiding it? Like, is she twisting it tight, or is it just because I'm just that tender-headed?
No, they be twisting it tight now. Because the other girl I went to when I had, it was just, they weren't like this, but they was just the regular fallouts. And you know, they had to twist it all the way down to the ends. And I'm like holding my head like this because it hurt so bad. And she pulling it. It was in like 9th grade. Her name was, I'm not gonna say her name, but
somebody I know or somebody that came.
No, it was after y'all was gone. But bitch trying to play with me. But she tried to play with me, bro. I had to get her ass in the bathroom. I tore her ass up. That was the funniest day ever. And they sent me home after that. But I ain't get no fuck. She knew not to play with me.
She knew from that point forward.
Don't fucking play with me. Cause you know how exes, they think they can't get touched. Like, I don't know. They just be thinking they safe and they not safe.
Go like this. You can. If you can. That's some folks be struggling to do that. I was trying to get all the lines from under here.
Oh, you can start doing makeup classes.
I thought about it. But I'm like, see, when I did makeup classes, I'm going to have to supply. I mean, I guess I could because they'd be paying for it, you know? And it's like, I would have to rent out a place to host it, too.
He's sniffing at the door.
They do that all the time.
I don't know. My favorite YouTubers though. You know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I love him.
What he said about Jada friend, he said, Lord, I hope you be pretty like your friend.
Right.
But anyway.
He's so messy.
Did he upload, what, I guess yesterday?
Yeah. I've been watching him since the beginning though, like his first YouTube video. And I like when he do his mukbangs. But he ain't been talking about nothing recently on his mukbangs. His old mukbangs used to hit. Do it look like I got Adam's up?
No. You want to pose and let's get on these. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.